Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to post live photo as Boomerang on Instagram. The first thing you will need to do is open Instagram. Then you're going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Next, select Story. And from here, you will realize that you'll see the Boomerang icon beside each of your live photos. And you will simply select the one that you want to post. Then you're going to tap on the Boomerang icon in the top left hand corner. And from here you can select whether you want the classic boomerang, as you can see right here, or you want slow-mo, or you can tap on the other one and get echo, or you can tap on the last option and get duo. Once you have found one that you like, you can tap on done in the top right hand corner. And now you can tap on your story in the bottom left hand corner to post it. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.